Hello, my name is Sean Sperry, and in this video we're going to do yet another short demo of Spectrum Protect Plus for online services Microsoft 365. And here what we're going to do is we're going to do a whole site collection for SharePoint Online. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to the demo. So for this demo, I am logged in as my site owner. And what I have here is just a SharePoint communication site that I'd copy over from the SharePoint lookbook that Microsoft provides. So this site is mostly template. I've just made a few changes, like I added one event and added a document to it. But what I'll do, just to demonstrate doing the restore, is I'll go ahead and remove this site using the delete site button. And here we have Microsoft telling me that you are about to delete the landing site, and delete all the content associated with it. So I'll go ahead and click on yes and go ahead and click on delete. And now that site will be gone. Now for the purposes of this demo, I'm also going to go into the SharePoint administration, and we'll have deleted sites. And of course, if you had just deleted the site accidentally, you have 93 days to restore it from this soft delete state here in the SharePoint Admin Center. Of course, if it were corrupted or something like that, that wouldn't work. But just for the purposes of this demo, what I'm going to go ahead and do is delete it from the deleted sites bin and do a permanently delete and then have it go away. Now going into Spectrum Protect Plus for online services, I'm going to go ahead and go into the application. And as you can see here, all my particular objects that I'm protecting with this particular instance are up to date. I'm going to go ahead and do a restore, and I'll search by service type, and I'll search for SharePoint Online. I'll go ahead and find the landing and then do a search. And you can see here that I have the site available with several different restore points or recovery points that I can choose from. I just created this morning, so I only have two. Obviously, if I created it earlier, I might have more than that. But I'll go ahead and take the latest version of the entire site. And as you can see here, I have a whole bunch of different granularities that I can choose from to do the restore. So either site collection, site, list library, app, folder, or document. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and restore the entire site collection since that is what I deleted. And I'll click on restore, and I will go ahead and take the defaults here. One of the things that I will point out is you can restore subsites, which we're going to take the defaults on that and do a yes. You can restore the hub site connection for this site. You can restore multiple versions and previous versions, and you can restore all the security, just the content, or the content and security. I'm going to go ahead and take all the defaults and click on restore. And I'll go down here to job monitor. And in a second, you should see that restore job start. We'll just wait for it to start before we pause the video. And here you see the restore job has started. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video and just come back when that restore job completes. Okay, so that restore has completed. It took about 4 minutes for it to run. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and go back to SharePoint. and just take a look at that website. And as you can see, I now have my website back with all of my details in the object, including the event that I created and also all of my underlying documents. So that's the end of the demo. I hope you found this information useful, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.